Hey guys, just took down a AT-AT, you know, nothing too big, just what I mentioned, a little, nothing I can't fix, you know. Oh, my entire life savings went into this mansion. Let's get me an AT. Oh no, another one. Time to do my daily job. Let's see how much quota I can if I can. No, not my T-Rex. You destroyed my stuff. No, you know what? No. Oh my word! Like, see, the panels aren't even that damaged. See, like that? Not that big of a deal. This could be my trophies, now that I think about that. Mystical! Mystical! I hope y'all like my videos. If there's anything that y'all want me to do with the various subscribers I have, you know, a couple of my idols are spy cakes, but I know I could never be as good as them. Hey, as long as I'm here putting a smile on y'all's face, that will be the best thing I can do, because that's what he always puts a smile on my face. It makes me feel like I deserve to be on this world, you know? But who doesn't? If anybody is going through depression, sitting in hard work, you're loved. You have people who care for you every day. Don't be able to forget that. But now, anyway, let's continue about the show. Oh, cause it feels so mystical, magical. Once I once you know. I don't want to get copyrighted. I will be doing a live stream. Oh my god! Come here, boy! I'm going inside eating. Also, we win. Dude, what? Yeah, as long as I still got my garage. My garage is probably the best thing that I could have right now. Anyway, let's just go. No! I'm gonna call. Hang on, guys. Hang on, guys. I gotta mute my mic. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. I guess I was being a little too loud. Oh, yeah, nothing. Oh my. The door is broken. There's a hole that I didn't even put here. Breakthrough here. Oh wow. Wow. I wonder what happens. Boom. Down. Back. I'm gonna do this video on my channel too. I just don't want to get yelled at about the rules of being a child and stuff like that, because those are much annoying, so I just put not for kids, even though I really want it to be, you know. So if there are any kids out here watching, know that my channel is completely for kids. Especially, oh my, especially if you like dry humor. Oh, guys, by the way, I have a better mic. I will be getting one soon, and hopefully a webcam, so I can actually see my ugly face. But anyway, I think I'm gonna have to end it here. See you guys tomorrow or soon.